Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to simplify a fraction. We will have 3 examples. Our first example is 4 over 24. So they both have multiples of 4, right? So 4 times 1 equals to 4. Okay, and 4 times 6 equals to 24. So for 4, we don't want to make the numerator and denominator the same. So we will delete the 4 and 4 and ignore it, and we have 1 over 6. So 4 over 24, and if we simplify it, it will be 1 over 6. The same thing with 9 over 15. So they both have multiples of 3. So 3 times 3 equals to 9, and 3 times 5 equals to 15. So the same. We don't want to make the same numerator and denominator. So rub out the 3, and 3 over 5 will be simplified to 9 over 15. The third example is 21 over 28. So they both are multiples of 7, right? So 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we have to rub out the 7. Don't want to make the same denominator and the numerator. So 3 over 4, right? So it's that simple. Put some examples in the comment box below, and like, share and subscribe. I will be with more videos next time. Bye bye.